Time to go, JR. Don't hit the portal, hit the teleporter.
Okay.
I hate you so much, JR. I actually fucking hate you so much.
You said
I don't know, -2 million is low-key kind of hilarious. The crippling lunar coin debt. Full smash! Alright, here we are.
Oh, I got rid of my quail. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself.
That really sucks. A little bit.
Oh god, I died.
Something is happening over here, and I don't think I'm the biggest fan. Of it. I'll take this. Oh, why am I slow? Why am I burning?
Goes to the beach that makes you slow and burning.
I accidentally picked up the gland. I accidentally picked up both items back, so... You have nothing but fucking green items. Like, actually, what is this? I just want to go to the mushroom place. That's like the song, bro. Oh my god, a cleansing pool? Where was that when I had my fucking 8 billion lunar item? Alright, watch this. I hit it big. Oh my god. Oh, I'm hitting it big, bro. Oh, I'm falling. Yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, whatever you just said, I agree. If we die, we die. If we win, we hit it big. Hey, that's a lot of scrap, though. Oh, my ass beat.
Oh, I just got hit by
Tactical retreat. Hold on, I'm hitting some fucking sick dance moves on the floor, bro. It's me. Oh my god, I'm a sniper? I'm gonna get the bounce.
Wait to bounce. Boing.
Boing. Keep bugging my perk. His mouth, it looks like he's got a big fat cigarette. Or a big fat fucking cigar. Got death mark, so that's pretty tight. Another peel cell. I'll take the infusion. Wait, isn't Lysate Cell your R? Man! God, here we go again. That's hilarious. Oh my god, Beck. Bro, help me. What is that? Okay, bye guys. Okay, see you later guys. Watch this. Fuck, I'm the worst shot ever. Alright, see, holy shit. Holy shit, see you guys later I guess? Oh my god, here we go again. Why am I 4 keys deep? Why am I 4 keys deep?
I should play DMC5 again.
I should too. It was really fun. I died. I did take out the like the void field if you want to hit some Jesus Christ. Oh! It's peak! It's peak! Dude, the run's over like we won. Yeah. I'm ready to go, by the way. I like open every chest. Is it really? Oh, I wish I had known that, or I wanted to just use my sales star. I'm falling! Die keep going, or you know, fucking fuck up. What's his name? Minos, fucking Mithrix. Is that a fucking damage chest hidden under a fucking blood shrine? I secretly entered the Risk of Rain 2 map where enemies don't spawn? Dude, I am tickling, bro. I'm gonna get out of here. You can hit the geodes for shields if you like really need it. There you're getting bitched. There you're getting bitched. There you're getting bitched.
No. Alright, Jason, which one are we hitting?
Well, I'm alive, so I'll hand it. I'm sorry, Beck. I'm sorry, Beck. I'm so fucking sorry, dude. Go for it.
Yes! Beck, wait up! Where's that item I don't want anymore? I'm sick and tired of Script Hollow. Get out of here. Done a lot of damage. So is he.
Did he give an egg to the fucking, That's really fucking funny. He's got an egg.
Oh. Jason? Jason.